This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to allow audio through your USB Type-C on your Android. So this will be the USB port on the bottom here where you charge your phone. So all you have to do is scroll on down from the top, go to settings. Now I have a Samsung phone. We need to unlock these developer options to get these settings. So we can go to About Phone on your Samsung, scroll on down. You might see build number in here. You just have to tap that like 7 times. So mine's under software information. Scrolling down, build number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's unlocked. Back out. Back out. Here's developer options. We can go here and we can search for the option to disable USB audio routing. So find it somewhere in here. We might be able to find it at the top. Otherwise, we're going to have to type it in. So you scroll through here and see if you find it. Otherwise, there's an option right here. Go to this, and we can type in disable USB audio routing, or we can type in USB audio, or you can just type in USB routing, any of those keywords. So let's type in USB audio, space audio. Scrolling down, tap it right here. It'll scroll all the way down to it, and we can disable this now. There you go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.